Still feeling lost when installing a solar system? Let's explain step by step.
First, place the battery in position and collect the ground case. For all mounting, install the bracket first. In this demo, we are showing you a ground setup. Next, make sure the switch button is off. If you expect later, collect battery communication from the last ureters out to the next ureters in. Next, collect the power cables between the battery and the inverter. Then, connect the communication cables. Then press the switch button to wake up the battery. Finally, check the output voltage and LED status. If everything looks normal, turn on the inverter and complete the communication setup. Follow us for more installer tips.